this, baby. This chicken is better than finger licking. Oh, so delicious. Bay leaf, small piece of onion crushed, clove and peppercorn. Hey, beautiful, nice weather. See the sky? Yeah, beautiful. That's New York suburb, country. Yeah, so now I'm heading to the Apples Farm market to get some herbs. Let's go with me. You want to come with me? Let's go, baby. Yeah, car is very, very warm. Yeah, let it cool off a little bit. And there I go, reversing from the driveway into the street. So here we go. I'm happy that you're coming with me. I need the Three Sisters. This is the Tarragon, sage, and some thyme. Yeah. Let's get some oregano. This one. basket. What else do I need? I think that's it. Oh, look at the cilantro. They're so... These are like locally grown cilantro. Fresh. But I have cilantro at home. Hungry for some delicious food? Cook with me. Veronica's Kitchen. Like, share, tell a friend, tell a neighbor, tell everyone. And bon appetit! See you in the next video. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Chicken was brined for 10 hours. Now I'm going to remove the chicken from the brine. Give it a slight rinse. Not too much because I don't want to get the salt off or the seasoning. Just slightly rinse. So now I'm going to dry it. Stay with me guys, just to remove the moisture from there. I love brining my chicken. This brining gives it so much flavor, especially when you're going to bake it. I'm not going to remove this. You will see the reason why I want to remove it. A little bit more. Okay, then I'm taking it to the other side, to the stove. Okay, my pan is very hot. I'm going to add in a little oil. Some butter. Okay, so that is good already. Now we want to add the chicken this side down. But I want to dab it with some smoked paprika. Okay, I'm going to brown it a little bit and then you will see the next step. My stove is on fire! In a preheated oven, cook for 20 to 25 minutes or until tender and there is no more red liquid. Let's add some olive oil, butter. Listen to that. And we're gonna add some garlic. Then we add a little pinch of water. Cover and simmer on medium. Then we're going to turn it around and stir it so that it could cook evenly without adding more water. The steam from the pot will cook it. Crunchy, garlicky, and sweet. Ooh la la. I'm going to drain out some of the oil, add in some chicken broth to the pot, and add it to the gravy. Add some garlic. Smells so good. We don't want to burn the garlic, okay? Then we add chicken broth. More chicken broth. This is oregano, tarragon, thyme, sage. Some more chicken broth. Half a teaspoon of grated lemon rind. Juice of a whole lemon. Black pepper. Worcestershire sauce. Leon Perrin. Alright, let's add some chicken cube here, some butter, 12-ounce jar of artichoke in the brine. Let's see the salt here and the pepper. Salt is good because it has to simmer down a little bit. Once it simmers down, the salt will become a little bit more intense. So it's good. Well, let me tell you, deglazing the pan that I baked the chicken gives, and then I pour it into this, gives another layer of flavor. Okay, look at this. Look at this rich, delicious golden gravy. I'm telling you, this is so delicious. Okay, now I'm going to pour it over the chicken. Bon appetit! Look at this, baby. Looks good. And it tastes good. Delicious, not good.